Hi folks, today I'm going to tell you about what my mother used to call Hungarian goulash. First chop up some leftover vegetables, carrots, onions, and celery, or some frozen veggies, and start cooking them in a pan of water with salt and pepper. Some people like to add garlic, but I don't keep cloves of garlic around, so if I need garlic, I have garlic flakes or powder. I have lots of spices, so I experiment with different flavors. So most of my meals are different every time because of the spices I try. Okay, now add more water and put in some macaroni noodles. I like the large elbow kind. Then put in a can of tomatoes, maybe diced or stewed or anything tomato. Add a container of the cooked hamburger from the freezer. Remember in an earlier video I told you to have serving size hamburger in the freezer. Maybe add some leftover spaghetti sauce or salsa for flavor. And stir it all together until the macaroni is done and everything is hot. If the mixture is too thick, add some water. If it's too thin, sprinkle in some cornstarch. Salt and pepper to taste. Put some in a bowl, and I always top it with my old faithful Parmesan cheese. Hope you like it. See you next time for another easy peasy meal.